Let's jump in and see what's inside this month's Grill Masters Club box.
So jumping into this box, first and foremost, we've got the brochure that's got all of the products listed out, and then recipes curated by my friend Rosalie at Cast Iron Skills. And so all kinds of awesome recipes inside of here. This smash burger on the griddle top, you know I've got my eye on this one. So flipping through here, we've also got pig shots, we've got sweet heat grilled wings, and smoked jalapeno beer mac and cheese. Ooh, I gotta give this one a try. We've got a QR code here with more promotions, more recipes, all kinds of ideas. So let's jump into the products for this month. We've got hogwash sauce from Fat Boy Barbecue, Kansas City style barbecue sauce. We've got Southbound Barbecue, Moo Moo Magic. That's gonna be awesome on brisket, burgers, steaks, and everything else. We've got Fat Boy Premium All-Purpose Rubs. This is gonna go great with that hogwash sauce. And then we've got Terrapin Ridge Farms Sweet Heat Grill and Wing Squeeze. We've got a nice silicone brush. You can never have too many of these.
Our Grill Masters Club box is the perfect Father's Day gift for the Grill Master and your family. They have monthly subscriptions, bi-monthly, quarterly. You can set it up to however you want to do it, but you're going to get all of these awesome sauces, products, rubs, and all kinds of amazing recipes to help you on your grilling journey. Let's go.